Aba Rotary Club Najera bebembirwe President wabo Dr. Maina wa Muyu batakahire y'ebinte babanzo kushoma ebitabo hamwe n'abeegi b'ekyakana ahishomero rya Bwica Muslim Primary School omurembo rwa Hoima.
Some pupils campaigned for the post of head girl while others campaigned for the post of head boy.
Nabwanyuma babakwatse bitabiga nabyo kushoma urujungu obucumu hamwe na za seti hamwe n'ebindi bikwato. Whichever school you want to go.
Where we have given them 100 readers in English to be able to help the children make reading a culture. Meaning, the more books that they're able to read, the better they will be able to spell, the better they will be able to talk English, the better they will be able to write.
So Rotary Club mumanyire tukore ibintu bingi. Tutuyambire hano honga. Itwenka najera. Aro erwaro itwahaire obuyamba. Tuombekeke ekizimbe, twabaha medical equipment, twabayamba mu pregnancy abakyara bana bakuzara.
Bakwatanise na Hoima Breeze Lounge baraganisa okushashurira beja barakore kurunje bigezo bye cyamushanju omwakogu.
First understand what you need to be and what you have a target. You don't just come I'm reading. That's why when they say who wants to be a lawyer, you must make it now. You may not succeed getting to that level you want, but try to be well.
I'm sure bajakole nambezo kandi bajakuzika. Then ebizibu tufuna mu class ono abana baitu tibaina bitabu tibaina lula tibaina mikebe ahandi basiba balinjara tibabohe byokulya tibaina byo.
Dr. Maina wa Muyor President wa Rotary Club Najera yagamba ngo kigenderwa cyabo no kuhereza beje omuhimbo okureba ngo bakunda okushoma hamwe no kwetegereza.
The purpose of all of this is to ensure the children are motivated and have enough reading material for them to be able to read.
Nabwanyuma ba Rotary Club Najera bagera horta yombukama bwa bunyoro kitara aho bahanura enshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ezikwatirine n'entunguka y'obukamobu. Gasha kwa Ambrose no wagaba Katotso.